Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna tell you how to hide apps in any Samsung phone. So firstly guys, just go to the menu here and we have a three dot option. So just tap here and then go to settings. Okay, just scroll down. Here we have an option of hide apps on home and app screen. So just tap here and these are all the applications. So I want to hide some applications like Play Store, Gallery, Chrome and setting too. Now click done here, go back. Now go to the menu and as you guys see, now I don't have any Play Store option or a setting option here. So this is how we can hide the application. And guys, if you want to use it, so just go on the three dot again, go to settings, again scroll and comes to hide apps and home screen. So these are all the application which I hide. So just cancel this and then click done. Now as you guys see, all the application are now showing here. So that's it guys about the video. If this video helps you, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.